What's up YouTube? This is Baby Black. Brandon's my name. Well, anyways, I'm doing this video for my boy Jonathan. His name is Beast1, capital P, capital R. And I normally dip Grizzly Wintergreen. But yeah, I'll be dipping today some kayak wintergreen. But before I put a kayak wintergreen dip in, let me just tell y'all something. It's alright dip, but I prefer grizzly wintergreen. I didn't have enough money to get grizzly wintergreen, so. But let me tell you something about. I got some Smoky Mountain free heritable snuff, great taste, tobacco free. Basically, it's tobacco free to help quitting. This is what it looks like. It's straight dip. Yeah, but yet again, like I was saying, it's fake. It's just plain out nasty. Tastes like sandpaper. And my grizzly can is empty. But I will put some kayak wintergreen in. So here we go. And this dip is from my boy Jonathan. I'm putting it in for him. And like he mentioned on his YouTube video, that we've been caught in 8th grade and we've been blending on him. Yeah, while we were young, dumb, and full of cum. But this right here is for him, in honor of him. This was the day we got caught. So here we go. It's an alright smell to it. Not as moist as Grizzly Wintergreen, but he dips Grizzly Natural. Grizzly Natural is a good video, but yet again, like I said before, it's an alright video, but mine's gonna be better. Just kidding, Jonathan. Just kidding, bud. I'm actually texting him right now. Jonathan, this is for you, my man. It's not a bad dip. Tastes alright. Spitting in a Hardy's cup. But like I said before, and what Jonathan did say about the doctor, about me having cancer, yeah, but I'm not really worried about it, so it don't really matter. Now, Smoky Mountain, I'll do a video on that, I promise, and let y'all have that. Kayak Wintergreen, it's an alright dip. I prefer Grizzly Wintergreen, but like I said, but this is only $1.52. Grizzly Wintergreen's $2.13, and I have nothing really to say, really. Right now, me and Jonathan will be making a video probably Friday. So please hit me up. If you don't, I'll be pissed. Oh yeah, and Jonathan, to you, Coke Black is way better than Grizzly Natural. I'm sorry, I just had to say that, Jonathan. Me and Jonathan have been friends for about since 8th grade. Ever since we got caught, we've been buddy together, best friends. My boy, I have him in class, C block. We dip all the time in that period. And we always have a mouthful of spit because we can't spit in the bottle, but sometimes I'll swallow mine if it comes down to it. But I don't really think it does sometimes. But yet again, just subscribe to my video and comment on my video. And let me know what to do, and I'll do it with y'all. Me and Jonathan are supposed to be doing this really sick video here soon. As soon as I get my money, as soon as we get money, we're gonna do a really bad video. But subscribe to my video, man, and set me up. See ya.